हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट्स A B C A to G and numbers 1 2 3. Let's start. Green color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, brown color, yellow color, black color, pink color and blue color, violet color. A for apple, pink color. B for bat, green color. C for cat, black color. D for duck, blue color. E for elephant, orange color. F for fish, yellow color. G for goat, A. B C D E F G. Kids, now we are tracing numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Kids, read again. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.